Degrees of comparison. Look at these pictures. Ajay, Vijay and Rajesh. Now we compare three persons. Ajay is tall, Vijay is taller than Ajay, Rajesh is the tallest of the three. Here, the words tall, taller and tallest are adjectives. They are the different forms of adjectives tall. We use tall when we don't compare Ajay with anyone. Ajay is tall. We use taller when we compare two persons, Ajay and Vijay. Vijay is taller than Ajay. We use the tallest when we compare more than two persons. Example, Rajesh is the tallest of the three. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degrees of comparison of an adjective. There are three degrees of comparison. One, positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. Third one, superlative degree. Now, see the flow chart, degrees of comparison. Used when we need to compare things, we use degrees. One, positive degree. Positive degree means when there is no comparison. Example, tall. Ajay is tall. Comparative degree. When we compare between two persons or things, example, taller. Vijay compare with Ajay. Vijay is taller than Ajay. So it is comparative degree. Next, superlative degree. When we compare between more than two persons, example, tallest. Here, we compare Rajesh with Vijay and Ajay. Rajesh is the tallest of the three. So it is superlative degree. So there are three degrees of comparisons. One is positive. There is no comparison. Next, second one is comparative degree. Comparison is between two persons or things. The third one is superlative degree. Comparison is between more than two persons or more than two things. Do you understand? Now let's see the examples. Positive degree. Apple A is big. In comparative, apple B is bigger than apple A. In superlative, apple C is the biggest among them all. Similarly, we see one more example. Ram. Positive form, Ram is a tall boy. In comparative form, Shyam, compare with Ram. Shyam is taller than Ram. In superlative, Rajesh. Rajesh is the tallest among all. That means Ram and Sam. In another more example, positive form. This is a big ball. In comparative, this ball is bigger than the yellow ball. In superlative, the red ball is the biggest ball of all. How to formation degrees of comparison? See, formation of degrees of comparison. In case of most adjectives, we add er and est to the positive degree to form comparative and superlative degrees respectively. You see here positive, near, comparative, nearer, we add er. In superlative, nearest, add est. Similarly, young, younger, youngest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Cold, colder, coldest. Bright, brighter, brightest. In case of adjectives ending in e, we add r and st to the positive degree to form the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. You see here, fine, finer, finest, wise, wiser, wisest, strong, stronger, strongest. Another case, in case of adjectives ending in consonant y sound, we change y into ier and iest to the positive degree to form the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. For some adjectives, we add more and most to the positive degrees to form comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Beautiful in comparative form, more beautiful in superlative form, most beautiful. Similarly, interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Enjoyable, more enjoyable, most enjoyable. Some adjectives do not follow these rules. They are differ in three forms. Example, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. How to use the degrees of comparison? We see here one example. You see the picture, how to compare this picture in form of degrees. First one, positive degree. When we are suggesting that two persons or things are equal in certain aspects, at that time also we use positive with the help of as. Here you see Gopi and Somu are same size, tall. Gopi as taller as Somu. In comparative form, when comparison is between two persons, here Ramya and Gopi. Gopi is taller than Ramya. Similarly, Ramya and Somu. Somu is taller than Ramya. Similarly, Ramya and Priya. Priya is taller than Somu. These are three pairs of comparisons. Next, superlative degree. When comparison is between more than two persons, here you see there are four persons. Among all them, Priya is the tallest among. So, Priya is the tallest among all. Now, recap of all degrees of comparisons. Positive degree, there is a no comparison or equal quantities of comparison. Comparative degree, comparison between two persons or things. Superlative degree, comparison is between more than two persons or things.